Hello everyone, my name is Jacqueline Mole. Without further ado, let me introduce my um, research proposal with the title Exploring the Challenges of Writing Descriptive Text, Perspective from Students of SMA 5 Maluku Tengah. The first is chapter 1 about the introduction. Why did I take this title? You can see on the slide that there are two things that I want to discuss in my background here, namely preliminary study and preview study, which become the basis for me to finding the problems and then deciding to take this title. In the preliminary study, I conducted it during PLP in Tolehu, precisely at SMA 5 Maluku Tengah. When teaching English, I discovered the problem that some students had difficulties in writing descriptive text. This attracted my attention to research further about what the difficulties were faced by students in writing descriptive text. After reading several journals, I found that there was one research that fit the problem that I faced during the previous preliminary study, namely research from Dia Alifa Aviani with the title of her thesis, namely an investigation of students' difficulties in writing descriptive text. In the research conducted by Dia, she found several factors that were the reason why students experience the difficulty in writing descriptive text. There were 5 factors that will support me in this research. From the background explained above, I generate one research questions, namely, what are the challenges that students face in writing descriptive text, with the same research objective, namely to find out what are the difficulties that students face when writing descriptive text. Then in chapter 2, namely the review literature sections, I share several understanding about the component related to the research title, namely definition of writing, purpose of writing, writing skill, elements of writing, type of writing, and descriptive text. The core component in chapter 2 is about challenges in writing descriptive text. In this research, I took the theoretical basis from previous research, namely a research from Dia Alifa Aviani, which divide the factors that caused students to experience difficulties into 5 parts, namely low nature of writing, lack of writing motivation, lack of writing practice, inadequate time, and lastly, lack of teachers' feedback. Furthermore, for the previous research chosen by me, there are 3 previous studies, but one that is most frequently referenced here is research from Dia Alifa Aviani with the thesis title Investigating Students' Difficulties in Writing Descriptive Text. The essence of this research is to find out the difficulties encountered students face in writing descriptive text, as well as the causes of these difficulties. This research used a qualitative descriptive approach with a case study research design. The research results show that there are 5 other factors that have been explained on the previous slide. These 5 factors were used by me to conduct this research. Next is the research method. Research method used here is the survey method. The survey method is an approach used in research to collect data through structured questions to respondents. In research conducted by researcher regarding the challenges or difficulties in writing descriptive text, this method will help understand the view and experiences of SMA 5 Maluku Tengah students regarding on this topic. Then in the population and sample, I use sampling technique called stratified sampling. My research population was all students at SMA 5 Maluku Tengah, while the sample I took consisted of grade 10 students of that school. Stratified sampling is a sampling technique that divides a population into subgroups or strata based on a certain characteristic. In my case, the characteristic used for this division are class level, namely grade 10 students who have studied various type of text, one of which is descriptive text. The instrument or tool used is questionnaire. The questions used are 10 questions. The type of question is close-ended question. This question is made based on the theoretical basis from mentioned previously, namely from the research, with 5 factors of difficulties in writing descriptive text. The questions are mapped. Each factor has 2 questions. Before the instrument was distributed, I carry out the validity and reliability test on the questions created. And this test was for grade 11. Student who had passed the previous descriptive text material. This test is use one of the application on Windows namely SPSS. Validity test related to the extent where the questionnaire is able to measure the aspect or variable in question. Then reliability test related to the extent to which individuals provide consistent and stable responses to statements in the questionnaires over time. And for the data analysis when collecting the data later, because the questionnaire type uses a Likert scale, agree, disagree, strongly disagree, strongly agree. The formula used to calculate quantitative data from this research is the formula from Anas Sudarjo in the late research from Indarto. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you.